Today I'm going to be practicing some present tense verbs in Arabic. I am going to use the word dhahaba, which means he went. By default in Arabic, the verbs are he went or he did something else. Like in this particular case, it's he went, so it's a past tense for a masculine thing that would have been done in whatever word that you come across, and then from there you can conjugate past tense verbs and present tense verbs. So present tense verbs is something that I've been struggling with quite a lot, but as I keep on practicing, it gets a lot better. The first row that I'm doing is for he, males. So like the first one is he is going. Then in Arabic there's a special word for double, for two people. So it's just a dual plural. The plural actually starts from three or more people. So that's quite interesting when you conjugate. So they, the word they can be for like 4 different ways of saying they. There's they for 2 people, males, they for plural, they for 2 females, and they for 3 or more females. And I find this quite interesting, but with practice, of course, like anything else, it should come naturally later on. So I really need to focus on this, because even just before I did this video, I did a bit of revision for the work. I did a bit of revision because it does, it's quite a bit challenging. So these 6 are for third person. The first row is for the first row is for males, the second row is for females. And now I'm writing the second person part. Starting again with the row for the masculine. Then the second row is for the feminine, second person. The first one there is for female, like you are going. But I've made a mistake here. I'm just gonna rub it out. That's why I like to write in pencil with my Arabic, especially when I'm still learning. I just like to write in pencil so that I can easily rub out words or any other letters that I make a mistake on. So this is the second person conjugation for the present tense in Arabic. finally I write the first person, which is Anna, which is I, which is the same for male or female. And then we is the na beginning, and that is also for male and feminine. So after writing, you can notice that there is a pattern. If you look carefully, there is a pattern to these letters. So like some of them start with the ta in the beginning, then there's some with ya. If you chunk this, I think you can come up with a pattern to help you understand and learn, and you come up with a method that works for you. The ending also has a pattern for the masculine plural, for third person, and for the second person, the wuna ending, and the ani ending for dual. The beginning part is what differs, but then you have the ending, which is the same. And that's another thing for present tense verbs, is there's a letter added to the beginning and a few letters added at the end. But with the past tense, which you can look at in the previous video, it only adds things at the end. So this is in no way a tutorial. This is just me revising, learning, encouraging others. But as usual, I will post the links in the description box of the people that actually helped me. Let me show you. Like this man, he has a fantastic episode on learning Arabic, and he called it easier than English. I don't know, maybe it is. But yes, it is well structured, well put. I have put his videos before in here, links. Fantastic explanations, nice graphics, very easy to understand. Go on his channel, I get my books, I check to see if I've done it right. They're using a different word, he's using a different word, but the concept is the same, because the conjugation is the same no matter what word you get. Then there's conjugation for other words that will come later on. I think the ones with alif, waw and ya in the root, they have a different way of doing things, but that's a bit more advanced. We'll get there at some point. And then there's this Dr. Alawiye as well, excellent. He's the author of these Gateway to Arabic books. His explanation and videos are fantastic, easy to understand, and take your time, go through their channel, have a look. This is where I learn, and anything else that I learn and find helpful, I will put it on my channel. When I'm quiet, it's not because I'm not studying. I am studying, but sometimes I'm stuck on a concept for quite a long time, and I'm doing some research and other things to help me learn this, because I'm not giving up. I need to learn Arabic to understand the Quran and other texts, Islamic texts. May Allah reward all those who are putting content out there to help us self-learners. I don't know if you're a self-learner really if you are using YouTube tutorials. Anyway, yes, all you need is internet. You don't have to pay extra for now, but keep on studying, don't give up. So when I finished going through my work, I just look, compared to what's on the screen to what I've written. And despite them using different words, I've used dhahaba, they've used different words, I still check, because I'm checking for the beginning and the end to see if it's correct. Because if you can conjugate with one word and you learn the basics, you can conjugate with all other similar words which do not have any exceptions, because there are exceptions for words, but with the same word pattern then it's easier to conjugate. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.